Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial we are going to be looking at how to cut and sew extra short sleeve, and I'll make use of the hardest paper gum, boning, sewable boning, and my doll face satin fabric. So first I will fold my doll face fabric into two. As you can see, it's folded into two. I'll mark out round sleeve measurements. I'm making use of 14 inches. So here I will mark out 14 inches this way. And the length, I'll make use of 16 inches length plus 1 inch for seam allowance, making it 17 inches. So I'll start from here to 17 inches here. So I'll mark this out. This way, also mark up here. Also mark out the sleeve measurements. So this is it. So after marking this out, I will cover my sleeve hole. So after covering out my sleeve hole, so from this sleeve measurement, I will move down by 9 inches. So here is 9 inches. So from this 9 inches, I will curve it down to the hemline this way. So see the way I curve to the hemline. So I'll go ahead and cut this down. So this is it. So I'll also use the same fabric as the liner. So I'll also fold it into two. Still cut out the same thing. So this is for the lining. So I'll use this now and cut out the hard paper top. So I will use my iron to gum this. This is the lining, and this is the right side of the satin fabric, and this is the gummy side. So I will use my iron to gum these two together before turning it. So I'll get my crinoline and stitch it this way, the rough side of the fabric. I will stitch it and give space for seam allowance. I will leave like half an inch for seam allowance. So I will stitch this way. Then after that, I will still attach the boning to this. So I'll first of all stitch this. Okay, this is it. I've attached the crinoline to this. So next thing to do is to also sew the boning on top of this. This is the hemline of this, and this is the lining of the sleeve. So for the boning, I will stitch it this way. I will leave half inch for turning allowance. So I'm going to stitch the boning this way and leave half an inch here. I will turn this way. This is the right side. So I'm going to stitch the hemline with the half inch that I left for the turning allowance. So I'll go to my machine and stitch this, and also top stitch it, iron it before the next step. I've joined the two fabric together, and I've also top stitched this. I will carefully iron this way. Like, I'll fold this. This is the lining part, and this is the main fabric. I'm going to stitch join the main fabric, the two of them together, join the lining parts together this way. So after closing the two sides up, it will look this way. So I'll turn this to the right side. So this is it. I gather this place up. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Please, if you're here to subscribe, kindly touch on the subscribe button to subscribe, and also click on the notification bell to get a notification once I upload a new video. Bye.